In this video, I'm going to show you how to add keyframes on Alight Motion. First thing you need to do, I'll click on to the left, which is the add button. I'll add a circle to be able to have an entity to our project. After adding a circle, we can now go ahead and add the keyframes located on the below. Here, the diamond shape, which is the keyframe. After adding the keyframe, all you need to do is you have to navigate to the timeline to be able to see changes, to be able to add changes to the entity itself or to the circle in this entity. So you could actually flip the circle, or you could actually go ahead and change the direction. You could also change the position of the circle, which it would translate into the keyframe itself. So first thing you need to do is to, of course, edit the circle first where you wanted it to go. So the first thing, if you don't edit it manually, it won't actually go ahead and move. So first thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on the keyframe. Then you have to change the position. So to change the position, you just have to swipe to move the layer. So after swiping, there you go. The circle is now on center. So if you play it from the start, it's gradually moving. And that's it. That's how you add keyframes on Alight Motion.